Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make kale juice. First, gather your fresh kale and any additional ingredients like apples or ginger. Thoroughly wash all produce under cool, running water to ensure cleanliness. Next, chop the kale into manageable pieces, about 1 to 2 inches long, to prevent clogging your juicer. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient juicing process, setting the stage for a delicious and nutritious drink. When selecting ingredients, always choose fresh, vibrant kale. For a balanced flavor, consider adding 1 green apple, half a cucumber, or the juice of 1 lemon. Apples offer a touch of sweetness and vitamin C, while cucumbers provide excellent hydration and a refreshing, mild taste. These additions not only enhance the flavor profile, but also boost the nutritional content of your homemade kale juice. To achieve the best results, feed your prepared ingredients slowly into the juicer. It's helpful to alternate between harder items, like apples, and softer ones, such as kale, to optimize extraction. For instance, follow a handful of kale with a piece of apple. This technique helps prevent clogging and ensures you extract the maximum amount of juice and nutrients from your produce, yielding a rich, vibrant drink. For optimal freshness and nutrient retention, it is best to drink your kale juice immediately after preparation. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will remain fresh for up to 24 hours, though some nutrient degradation may occur. Serve your vibrant green juice over ice for a truly refreshing and invigorating experience, enjoying all its health benefits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.